that time of the year when the air gets crispy and cold. Leaves turn red, yellow and gold and fall. And we start our chore of raking the leaves. Welcome to Jersey Gardening. Today we are going to see 7 worthy reasons why we should not haul away our raked leaves. Weed your lawn with your fall leaves. Just use your lawnmower to chop up the leaves and they will decompose much faster. They fertilize the soil and also control the weeds. Use your leaves as free mulch. Put them around your perennials, trees or cover your garden bed with leaves. Autumn leaves are rich in nutrients. Number 3. Make a leaf mold. Leaf mold is decomposed leaves. Just pile your leaves with a wire mesh and keep adding leaves. This leaf mold can be used as a soil amendment and it will retain more moisture. Leaf mulch can be used as good insulation for tender perennials or root crops like garlic or onion. These are walking onions. Number 6. Add the leaves into your compost bin. Alternate the carbon-rich autumn leaves with nitrogen-rich materials like grass clippings, kitchen waste, coffee grounds, etc. The link for easy compost making is included in the description box. Lastly, you can get crafty with the autumn leaves. Get a wire hanger and make it into a circle and just put all the autumn leaves into your hanger to make a gorgeous fall wreath.